Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of Soursop Tea. This isn't some soggy biscuit of a drink, no, this is a bloody revelation. We're talking about a flavour explosion that's packed with more health benefits than you can shake a stick at. Soursop, or graviola as some call it, is a tropical fruit that's practically bursting with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. And when you brew it into a tea, you're left with a deliciously refreshing drink that's not just good for you, it's bloody brilliant. We'll explore its amazing benefits and show you how to make it at home. You'll be ditching that overpriced sugary rubbish you call tea in no time. Listen up, you lot! Immunity is your body's first line of defense against all those nasty bugs and viruses lurking around. It's like your own personal army fighting to keep you healthy. And Soursop tea? Well, it's like giving your army a bloody good meal and sending them off to boot camp. It's packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that gives your immune system a much-needed boost. Think of vitamin C as those tough drill sergeants whipping your immune cells into shape, making them stronger and more alert. They'll be ready to tackle any threat that comes their way. So if you're feeling run down or just want to give your immune system an extra layer of protection, a cup of Soursop tea is exactly what the doctor ordered. Now, let's talk about digestion. Something most of you lot need help with, judging by the state of some of your kitchens. Soursop tea is a gentle giant when it comes to your gut. It helps to soothe the digestive system, easing common issues like bloating, constipation and indigestion. No more feeling like you swallowed a space hopper after dinner. This is because soursop contains natural compounds that help to relax the muscles in your digestive tract, allowing food to move through more easily. So, if you're tired of feeling like a bloated mess after every meal, give Soursop tea a try. It's like a spa day for your insides. Inflammation is like that annoying smoke alarm that won't stop beeping. It's your body's way of signaling that something is wrong, but sometimes it goes off when it shouldn't. Chronic inflammation is a real pain in the backside, and it's linked to a whole host of health problems. But fear not, because Soursop tea is here to put out the fire. It's rich in antioxidants, which are like tiny firefighters that go around your body, neutralizing harmful free radicals and reducing inflammation. A regular cuppa can help to calm things down, reducing your risk of chronic diseases and keeping you feeling your best. Now, who doesn't want radiant, healthy-looking skin? You don't need to spend a fortune on fancy creams and lotions when you've got Soursop tea in your arsenal. This miracle drink is packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, both of which are essential for healthy skin. Vitamin C in particular is a key ingredient in collagen production. Collagen is like the scaffolding that keeps your skin firm and elastic, preventing wrinkles and sagging. And antioxidants? They fight off those nasty free radicals that can damage your skin cells and make you look older than you are. So, drink up. Your skin will thank you for it. Let's be honest. Losing weight can be a right pain in the arse, but Soursop tea might just be the secret weapon you've been looking for. This tropical brew can help to boost your metabolism, turning your body into a fat-burning machine. It also helps to regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes and sugar cravings that can send you running for the biscuit tin. And if that wasn't enough, Soursop tea can also help to reduce your appetite, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. So ditch those sugary drinks and reach for a refreshing cup of Soursop tea instead. Your waistline will thank you for it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Remember, a healthy lifestyle doesn't have to be bland and boring. Now, let's get started on making this amazing tea at home. You'll find the full recipe in the description box below. Go on, get in the kitchen and show me what you've got. And remember, if your Soursop tea isn't bursting with flavour, then you're doing it wrong.